Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to assign marks in question paper and analyze the responses collected in Google form. So let us open the form that we have created in earlier video. Click on question tab, select the question. Since we have made quizzes, we have made this Google form a quiz, so that's why we are able to assign the marks. Select the question by double clicking it. Click the answer key given below here and assign the marks. Since it is an objective question, I am assigning 1 mark and select the correct option. See, if mouse is a correct option, then it will be displayed in different color and a right mark will appear on the right side. See, click the done button. For long answer, double click the question, click on answer key and assign the marks 2 point, then done. There is no need to write the correct answer in long answer or paragraph type. Select done. Now we are going to analyze the responses that are collected from the student. Click on responses tab. You can see we have 2 responses here. So click on this responses. We have 3 different things: summary, question and individual. Summary, we have summarized, if we click this summary, we have summarized data and question wise showing how many students have given the correct answers and how many have given the wrong answer, right? So the question, 2 responses are in this long answer and we have seen this responses. So let us move to second one, question. Now I can see the question wise. It will show me the question wise different responses of all the students, right? See, select the input device. One student gave me mouse and other student gave me printer option, right? Now coming to the next tab, individual. That is very important. Now select the first response. We have only 2 responses are there, so it is showing me 1 of 2. So first response is from this Abhinav, roll number 1, class 5th B, right? And he has selected mouse, and since in objective the marks will be assigned automatically but will not be posted to the students, right? Now but in subjective one you have to give the marks. So click on this place, and if you want to give the marks to the student, let us say define computer electronic machine to enter the data. I want to give him only 0.5 marks for this. Save this, and for objective 1 marks is already assigned. Same will be done, same will be performed for other children. Let us take second example. It is assigned automatically since it is an objective type, 0, and define computer. I'm going to give 2 marks for this, right? And save. Now If we want to release the score, then select all the respondent. Release score button is there. Select all respondent if we want to release. Click on send email and release. The marks are posted to the student now. It depends on you if you want to release, right? Then if you want to download the Excel file, you can download it from here. Let me tell you one more thing, accepting responses. If the time is over and you want that the student should not able to submit the form, you will not going to accept the form after a particular time. Turn off this option, accepting responses. Now it is becoming not accepting responses. That means this form is no longer going to accept the response. Click on green icon. This will create a Excel sheet, right? Click on Excel sheet, create a new spreadsheet, create. Now the Excel sheet has been created, right? See, you can see the score of the student. Two students are there, Abhinav and Beena. Since I have one in 0.5, I have assigned, the score is 1.5. And in case of Beena, 2 marks and first question is wrong. So she is getting 2 marks for that. If you want to do sorting, please select the data from this Google Excel, copy this data and paste it into the Excel that is present on your system and then do the sorting. Thank you.